breed. This female needs to find a leaf and lay her eggs. The breeding frenzy will only last one day, so she needs to get a move on. There are lots of eager males. Nine for every female. And all are ready to spring into action so for her, getting a partner is no problem. But the other males are desperate. For this female, mating is rather chaotic. Things are getting out of hand. There is one way to deal with this. A few well-placed kicks usually does the job. Problem solved. She and her partner can now finally mate in relative peace.